Colors explosion. What do we need? Let's get started. Pour water to fill half of the beaker. Add few pumps of soap into the water and mix well. Fill the surface of the tray with milk. Add 1 drop of any color to the 4 corners of the tray, as well as its center. Dip the stirring stick to the beaker and let it touch the color drops in the milk.
Wow! Wow!
Did you see the color explode?
Yay!
Scientific explanation. Milk contains fats. When soap touches the milk, these fats start to break up, and the soap molecules move around the fats to attach to them.